Hey guys, today we're making Kool-Aid Play-Dough. We're going to use red.
Okay, 1 minute. Show them your Kool-Aid.
I'm going to use purple and grape. And Dave's going to use red, cherry red.
All right. So you're going to start with, you need 1 cup of flour. And you've got the half a cup, so you need 2 of those. Make sure, yeah, here, let me see, let me help you.
That's too big.
Angel's overflowing here. Okay, dump her in.
Dump her? Another one?
1 more.
No.
You always got to shake it a little bit before you. Let's see. Yep, level it off. Okay, that's good. Yep, pour it in there.
Big, flat chunk. Sweet.
So we've got 1 cup of flour. You need, here's the salt.
1 cup?
No, you need a 1/4 cup. So put this in there and scoop it and fill it up.
And shake it.
Let's see what you got here. No, here. Let's put it here like this. Let me see. Alright, let's see what we got here. We might as well empty this one before we open up the new one. Okay, so let's set that one over there. No, leave it there. So we got the salt here, and we got water boiling because we need boiled water.
Put that in here?
No, we gotta open this. 1 minute.
Can we help?
I got it, baby. Oh, careful! Don't fall down. All right. So here, help Mama pour this into there. Okay. So that was a 1/4 cup.
No more.
Of salt. Okay, you can. Okay, so it calls for, I think, 1.5 tablespoons of
Baking soda.
cream of tartar. But we don't have cream of tartar, so we're going to use baking powder. So scoop that, make it level. Yeah, make it level. Put it in there.
That's cool.
Yep. 1. Oops, here. You got to bang it because.
That's my ideas.
2. Do another one, yeah.
No
We'll
more.
just do a little bit more. There we go. Okay, let's put the lid back on there. All right, you can open up your Kool-Aid pack.
Oh, give me the scissors.
No, it's okay.
Oh. I can help.
You're gonna do yours in 1 minute.
Whoa, I want to see. Purple
Whoa.
actually looks like blue. Smell. Smells like very sour.
Well, they can't smell.
It smells like
silly
really.
girl.
Oh, look how far it can open.
Okay, get yourself a fork. Just get a spoon. Go ahead, get a spoon.
I got a spoon. No.
Yeah, it's okay.
It smells like grape.
It does, doesn't it?
Mine is gonna smell like cherry.
Okay, mix it up.
Try and get the middle. The middle is the best part, and the edge. I thought we need to cook it in the oven.
No, Mommy's gonna do this. Okay. Now, Mommy's gonna get the hot water. Okay.
You're gonna dump it in.
Actually, look out for 1 minute. Let me just grab a different measuring cup. Stay back.
Some fell onto this.
It's okay.
Mix it.
Not yet.
Whoa.
Okay.
Mix it.
And we need a little bit of oil.
So stop mixing. Ew, it's smelly. Mix it.
It's okay. Yep. Mix it, mix it, mix it. It's hot. So there we got.
Vegetable oil.
Just mix, please.
It's gonna be smelly Play-Doh.
It smells like Kool-Aid.
Oh, it's not when I go. It smells like grape Kool-Aid still.
Of course. That's why it's Kool-Aid Play-Doh. Here,
That's
Mommy
what
help
it's
you.
called? What's the next?
See how it's like crumbly? You just got to keep on mixing until it turns into a mold.
No more.
All right, so here is Angel's purple Play-Doh.
Oh, it's hot.
Well, it's still warm.
I'm trying to
So,
eat it.
no.
Why?
So now, well, I mean, if you ate it, you ate it, but
Can we eat one?
we're going to sit, now it's just, we're going to let it sit and cool down.
But I want to play with it.
Well, you will in a little bit. We got to let it cool. So let's sit. Angel's there. All right, now Davy's turn. Okay, so you're doing the red one, so we need 2 of those. Even, like you don't want it overflowing. Shake it before you don't spill it, buddy. And it is, as you see, simple enough that with a little bit of adult help, because we got to deal with hot water, that the kids can make it. Just put it in the bowl. There's one.
Huh?
No, not, you don't do it on the floor. Okay.
This is really hard to do. Hey guys!
Silly. Okay, one more.
What's up, buddy? What's up, what's up, what's up?
Yep, that's good. Don't spill. Okay, so we got 2 of those.
I'll wash my hand.
Yeah, now you need a 1/4 cup of salt.
Salt?
Careful, because it pours fast. You don't want to spill salt.
Because it's really tiny, you can't even see it. There.
A little bit more. Okay. All right, now open this.
Salt is really cool. I like this container.
Get the white, no, the white measuring cup. That's good. Do another one.
Guys, look at me.
Do another, yeah. Okay, that's good.
No,
she did about that much. All right, your Kool-Aid. Let's see.
Whoa, it looks like purple. Does that look like
Okay,
purple?
get your spoon.
I'm mixing up. Here's my serving. Do you like some pumpkin?
Careful, mix it slow so you don't spill it all over. All right, let me get the water. Back over here to the water.
Ooh, I see the color.
Get back.
How does it show the color?
A little bit more. Okay. And a little bit. Oh, yours smells, yeah, so good.
Ooh.
All right, get a mixer.
It smells so good. I wish you guys could smell it. I'll smell it all the way over here because I'm up on the camera. Love you, Mom.
Love you. No, it's hot.
Oh, because you did it to mine.
Yes, I did.
Because it wasn't hot. Was it hot when you were using it? Your hand?
No, not really.
They have to start to 100 years, maybe. Because he's like, look, guys, I'm a mermaid.
Does it smell good?
You just smell it.
Cherry. Okay, let me help. All right, there's Davy's.
Here's mine. Mine is not that sticky. She's trying to grab some and put it in her.
Let's see yours, Angel. Well, don't mix them. Was that easy to make?
Yes! Yeah, we don't need to put it in the oven.
Nope. All right. Now, if you want to make that, just make sure you have an adult to help you make it.
With hot water. Subscribe to our channel, hit the bell button, notification bell. Huge thumbs up. See you tomorrow. I could make a movie. Don't let anyone without parents make any Play-Doh. Yes, if they get burnt by the water, they'll get really hurt.
Yeah.
And they need to go
All right, we hope you liked our video. See you tomorrow.